Jackham.
And the buzzword in our business right now is a buy down, right? And what that is a rate buy down. And I'm having to explain, and I get it. Listen, I tell realtors all the time, your job's to sell a brick and mortar. You work with me and trust me because I'm the money guy. So it's my job to make things happen on the financing side. So what I want everybody to listen to, and this week, look, we have several people that we're giving rates in the fives because we're working this program, James, and we're having people, we know how to utilize this program. We know how to have others pay so you can get your rates in the fives when others are offering mid sevens right now, because either they just don't know, which I'm not going down that rabbit hole again as far as schmuckatellis in our industry right now. They're starting to fall away, which is great. But even realtors, helping them understand. Do you know how to write this in a contract? Right? I had a realtor call me and go, I'm embarrassed to say this. Can you help me with this? Absolutely, I can. Because at the end of the day, let's show how we can get to where we need to get to, which is get the buyer to the table. So buy down right now is something that is tremendous. And there's a way where we're qualifying people, even though the rate's at 7.25, we're getting a seller to pay the buy down and their rates goes to 5.25. And the biggest thing I want to explain is the buy down. I'm not going to go over because on radio, you could never, ever, ever understand. This is like one of those whiteboard things. But the reason why the buy down is so much better is the seller or the seller or the builder is paying for it. So I've got a buyer right now, James, buying a $550,000 house. The rate is 7.25. We're going to do a 2-1 buy down. The builder is going to pay it. So next year they're going to be at 5.25. It's saving them $575 a month. Then the following year the rate goes to 6.25, still saves them $300 a month. So this is kind of, we can't see the forest through the trees, James. We joke about it all the time. If we could sit here, James, and tell all our listeners, hang in there, January 1st of 2024, everything's going to be fine, it'd be different. We can't. So this buy down is allowing our folks on a fixed rate, listeners and Gumbo Nation, to be able to take advantage of a much, much lower rate for the next 2 years. And it costs them nothing the way we have it and the way we structure it.